What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to create curved text effects in Canva. So what we need to do is log into our Canva account, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now the next step is basically to go to create a new design, and we will select a new design. Now once you have created a new design, then we can add some text into it. So let's select the title and we will type in our YouTube channel name. Once you have added the text, then you can select the text and there is a option which is called effects. So select that, and here you got different options. You can select a neon color, but you can also scroll a little bit down and there you will find the curved text effect. Select that, and as you can see, on default it is quite curved, but you can change this a little bit by dragging down this button and you can make it however you want. And as you can see, we now have successfully curved our text in Canva. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!